Hello, and welcome to our in-depth review of the 2025 Buick Envista. Today, we'll explore this remarkable vehicle's exterior design, interior comfort, powertrain options, safety features, and pricing. Let's dive in. Exterior features. Body panels. The 2025 Buick Envista boasts sleek and aerodynamic body panels that not only enhance its visual appeal but also improve fuel efficiency. The smooth contours and sculpted lines reduce air resistance, contributing to a quieter ride and better mileage. Headlights. Equipped with advanced LED headlights, the Envista ensures optimal visibility in various driving conditions. These energy-efficient lights provide a bright and clear beam, enhancing safety during nighttime and adverse weather conditions. Taillights. The LED taillights are designed to offer high visibility to drivers behind you, ensuring safety during braking and nighttime driving. Their modern design complements the vehicle's overall aesthetic, making it stand out on the road. Grille. The signature Buick grille on the Envista features a bold and elegant design, incorporating chrome accents that exude sophistication. This distinctive grille not only enhances the vehicle's front fascia but also allows efficient airflow to the engine compartment. Interior comfort and convenience. Seats. Inside the Envista, you'll find ergonomically designed seats that provide exceptional comfort for both the driver and passengers. Upholstered in premium materials, these seats offer ample support, making long journeys more enjoyable. Dashboard. The dashboard features a clean and intuitive layout, placing essential controls within easy reach. High-quality materials and ambient lighting create a luxurious atmosphere, while the digital instrument cluster provides real-time information at a glance. Infotainment system. The Envista comes equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that includes a large touchscreen display, navigation, and smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This system ensures you stay connected and entertained throughout your drive. Steering wheel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel offers a comfortable grip and houses controls for audio, cruise control, and hands-free calling. This design allows you to manage essential functions without taking your hands off the wheel, enhancing safety and convenience. Powertrain components. Engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Envista features a turbocharged 1.2-liter three-cylinder engine that delivers 136 horsepower. This engine is paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, providing a balance of performance and fuel efficiency. Hybrid option. For those seeking an eco-friendly alternative, Buick offers a hybrid variant of the Envista. This model combines the turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering enhanced fuel economy and reduced emissions without compromising on performance. Safety and driver assistance. Airbags. The Envista is equipped with a comprehensive airbag system, including front, side, and curtain airbags. This setup provides all-around protection for occupants in the event of a collision, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Parking assist. Maneuvering into tight parking spaces is made easier with the Envista's parking assist feature. Utilizing sensors and cameras, the system provides visual and auditory cues to help you park safely and accurately. Pricing. The 2025 Buick Envista offers exceptional value, with a starting price under $25,000. This competitive pricing makes it an attractive option for those seeking luxury features without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the 2025 Buick Envista combines elegant design, advanced technology, and robust performance, all at an accessible price point. Whether you're commuting daily or embarking on a road trip, the Envista is designed to meet your needs with style and efficiency. Thank you for joining us in this review, and we look forward to seeing you on the road.